Celeste from Crochet Crochic, and today we are going to do the back loop double crochet and the front loop double crochet. Enjoy! Now normally when you do your double crochet you would chain 3 stitches, you turn around, yarn over, and then when you look at the top, those teardrop shapes or those circles that your previous row has made, you would normally go and place your hook underneath both those loops, and then you would work your double crochet. However, when the pattern says work in your back loop only or in your front loop only a double crochet, it means that when you look at that loop that your previous row has created, it looks like a teardrop shape. The half of the circle that's at the back, furthest from you, if you place your hook underneath there, that's your back loop only. Whereas if you look at that circle and you look at the front and it says front loop only, it means only work your double crochet into that front loop, not underneath both like you normally do. So it creates a beautiful texture in your work, and you can really play around with these stitches with colors and texture. So when you work in your back loop only, it means you place your hook under that back loop, yarn over, pull up a loop, and then you work your double crochet like you normally do. Pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, place your hook under that back loop, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and again yarn over into the back loop only, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And you will see it creates this line on the front of your work, because that line that you see there are the front loops that you didn't work. So here you can also see there's my half double crochet back loop only. Creates like a line beneath your work. If it says front loop only, it means you yarn over and you place your hook underneath the loop that's at the front only, and you work your double crochet in there. So pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, and again yarn over, place your hook only under that front loop that you see. Of those 2 loops that you see at the top, you only place your hook underneath the front loop and you work your double crochet in there. Now I'll show you now what it looks like. You can see here's your front loop only. It smooths out your fabric, but then when you turn your work around, you see it creates a line at the back of your work. If you found this video useful, please remember to subscribe.